colored people, $1.50 just to see them. Don't it always seem to go? You don't know what you got till it's gone. They paved paradise, put up a party.